Hello aviation enthusiasts and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a truly special treat for you as we delve into the captivating history of a former Iraqi Airways 747-270C registered as Yankee India-Alpha Golf November. This iconic aircraft has a fascinating story to tell from its early days to its possible ultimate retirement. So fasten your seatbelts and let's take off on this thrilling journey through time. The Boeing 747-200 series revolutionized air travel with its size and capabilities, and Iraqi Airways was among the early adopters. This particular aircraft was delivered on May 27th of 1976, the first Boeing 747 to serve in the Iraqi Airways fleet, and it served the airline faithfully for almost 2 decades, carrying passengers or cargo up to 6,500 nautical miles or 12,100 kilometers at a speed of 507 knots or 939 kilometers an hour to and from Baghdad in Iraq. In its early days, this 747 was a workhorse for Iraqi Airways, carrying passengers and cargo to various destinations across the globe. It witnessed historic events, political changes, and carried thousands of passengers, leaving behind a trail of unforgettable memories. Now let's take a closer look at some of the unique features that set this aircraft apart from other airliners of the time. The 747-270C variant had a distinctive nose cargo door, allowing for efficient loading and unloading of freight. It played a crucial role in Iraq's transportation and logistics. Along with the opening cargo door in the front, there was a side cargo door on the port side of the aircraft. As a Combi model of the 747, this aircraft could and can be transitioned from a passenger-only layout, carrying up to 550 people in a single class, to a mix between passengers and cargo, and finally to an all-cargo layout where it could carry about 6,200 feet cubed or about 175 meters cubed of mixed cargo. Despite its remarkable service, this airliner faced its fair share of challenges. Political tensions, economic crisis, and conflicts in the region impacted the aviation industry, leading to changes in Iraqi Airways operations. Sadly, all good things must come to an end. Due to the impending Gulf War in 1991, this aircraft and another Iraqi Airways 747-200 was evacuated to Iran for safekeeping. However, due to Iraq's previous conflict in the 1980s with Iran, the Iranian government kept this and all other aircraft the Iraqis sent over as war reparations. Other Iraqi Airways 747s were sent to hideout in Tunisia, where they have been left in storage, left out in the desert dry elements, and will be up for sale in August of 2023. The Iranian Air Force has been seen using this aircraft in its own service since 2006. The livery has changed to that consisting of a mostly white fuselage with a gray underbelly and a blue vertical stabilizer with an Iranian flag tail flash. Due to the political situation between Iran and the rest of the world, it's been hard for local grounds crews to properly maintain this aircraft in a flight-worthy status. A major upgrade to flight control systems was performed in 2018 so that the aircraft could be used in transporting troops to regional trouble areas. However, in 2020, the outboard Pratt & Whitney JT90 engine on the port wing was severely damaged after an engine test went awry, causing the aircraft to jump its chocks and damage its previously mentioned engine. As of the middle of 2023, the aircraft is believed to be in storage, with its future unknown. As we conclude our journey through the history of this veteran airliner, we are reminded of the profound impact this aircraft has had on Iraq's aviation industry and the countless lives it has touched. Its story serves as a testament to the power of aviation in connecting people and cultures worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this nostalgic expedition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting aviation content. Until next time, happy flying. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Gemini Jets in 2000. This particular model, as seen here, is one of 3 produced, with the other being a 1/500 scale model produced by In-Flight Models and a 1/200 scale model produced by Small World Models. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution, which will bring in more subscribers that will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you and good day.